Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Philip explaining. So let's look at determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. And before we start explaining or determining the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, let's remind ourselves what a matrix is. It said that a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, letters, or symbols that are called uh, elements. And now when you it's written as 2 by 2, it means this matrix has two rows and two columns, and it said that when a matrix has equal number of rows and columns, for example in this case 2 rows and 2 columns, this matrix we call it a square matrix. So let's look at the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, a matrix which has 2 rows and 2 columns. So given a matrix like A, B, C, and D, these are matrix. This is the diagonal from the top left, this one, to the right bottom is called the leading diagonal. This one is what I'm calling the leading diagonal. From the top left corner to the right bottom corner, this one is what I'm calling the leading diagonal. And the other diagonal, this one, the other diagonal is the secondary diagonal. You can say this is the leading diagonal. So the determinant of this matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, this particular matrix, we take these elements, the product of the elements in the leading diagonal minus the product of the elements in the other or the secondary diagonal. I'm saying this is the secondary diagonal. Secondary diagonal. So I'm saying that in order to get the determinant of this particular matrix, we take the product of the elements in the leading diagonal minus the product of elements in the secondary diagonal. If I said the elements A, B, C, and D are what I'm calling the elements. So the determinant of this matrix A, B, C, D is A times D is AD minus C times C or B times C, BC. I remember that the determinant of any matrix, the determinant of a matrix is always positive, even if we calculate the value and that we get the value to be negative, we take it as a positive. So let's use numbers. I have been using letters. No, let's look at this example. For example, I have been asked to find the determinant of this particular matrix. Find the determinant of this matrix of the following matrix 3, 5, 2, and 4. So what's our leading diagonal? This one, and this is the secondary diagonal. So the determinant is 3 times 4 minus 2 times 5. This is 12 minus 10, we get 2. Hope you understand. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next class on the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix.